Hey everybody, Scorpion here. So it looks like this is the first annual Captain Rattlesnake's kayak or canoe race 2024. They reached out to me wanting coins done, some silver and some copper. That way they would have stuff to give away to the winners. So it looks like there's two different groups. There's a single and a double, and it's at the Springfest. So y'all stick around. We're gonna make these coins and see how they turn out. See y'all later. Alright, so this is for some type of game or competition that's coming up, and I'm slow because I forgot to start my camera, so y'all forgive me. But these are silver. It looks like they're going to be given away to the winners. There's a singles competition and two doubles, or a doubles competition, so that there's two of these, so I guess that means one of each of them gets one. And now I'm starting on the copper. I'm going to make a guess that everybody's getting a coin. Don't know for sure, but that is my guess. So let's see if we can't finish knocking these out here for them. And this would be the front side of the coin. Alright, and this says first annual Captain Rattlesnake's Canoe Race 2024. So I guess this is the first one. So y'all look it up, might be something you're interested in, but this is what it looks like after it's been cleared, or cleaned maybe I should say. And I'll bring y'all back when I do the back side of these. after cleaning it up. Alright, here we are. Finished products. Time to pack them up, ship them out. See y'all next time.